Thursday order flow signal. Aloha, welcome. This is the Digital Micro Trading Journal. Day trading for an ROI payout, no trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And what we're talking about is the Thursday order flow signal, December 8th, 2022. And of course, what's rollover today? Rollover calendar spread traders involved. These are the traders that do for big institutions rolling over from December contract to the March contract. So we've got other players in the market making it wonky. So beware. Okay, so this is warning sign number 2 out of 3. The first was the rollover. I've got a warning sign on the 120, but this is very important as the micro trade ranges have gotten really compressed. So we're right now 15 handles in Globex, yesterday 24, 3-day average 42. Profit expectations have to be looked at as diminished in range because trade ranges have really been reduced, and that's understandable because look where we are. We don't have really big news until FOMC rate hike decision next week. Gonna pay attention to this and probably not be involved in the RTH. 24-hour M2K. So let's talk about key order flow points on price action. Price action went down to the low Bollinger Band in Asia Globex, and we've got a slight bounce. Target above is around 1815, 1818. Currently, I'm flat. I have no position, but I did take this red line a long and closed it out and hit another long. So that might be it for me for today because of rollover. As far as the one order flow zone I'm really focused on is this PAL Anchor VWAP. It's at 1857, and with price here at 1813, it seems like we're not even going to hit that or have a potential to hit that until next week. Below here, the inbox strength of the hits after 3 days in a row, you can see we've got a little bit of let up here. So the selling seems to have abated on cumulative delta. We're at negligible 0, so that's not bullish or bearish, and pace, nothing there. Next chart. This chart's giving a very strong signal, and the signal is 2 red arrows, compressed Bollinger Bands. That's a total hands off from me. You can see here price action, the last 3 bars on the 120. We've reached the middle Bollinger Band, but it's at a state of equilibrium, and again, till we break one side or the other. As far as the strength of the hits on the order flow, the inbox histogram has again confirmed the strength of the hits are no longer on the sell side. We have very modest upside, and as far as the cumulative delta, that also has shown now we've turned to green. This is the order flow on the Renko chart, and what I liked about this is the strong signal that happened in Asia Globex. So notice the blue Keltner being hit here, and then it was going up and bounced hard. I was a little late in getting in on this long, and I didn't really participate until right around this -10 area with this horizontal red line. But again, look at the depth of the cumulative delta, and then it was kind of coming up. So I don't have any regrets. But now we're in this yellow zone, and this is the Wednesday RTH 1-minute open range, and we're stalled in that here in Europe Globex. Upper Keltner 1816, middle Keltner 1807, low 1798. So 5-minute chart here. Let's start with order flow first at the inbox histogram strength of the hits. So right at the Asia open, you can see this long, skinny strength of the hit. We went deep, but this was super skinny, and then it went and bounced right back up. Hence, why I took some longs. And then you can see the robustness, how robust these blocks are on the upside on the 5-minute. Don't look that great. So I will point out, though, as we got into Europe, we did have a sell block here, but notice above where price was, really we didn't violate this 12.7 1-minute open range. So This red band here, horizontal, is currently where we sit on price. Cumulative delta, nothing really to speak of. Same with the pace. The pivot is 1812. That's where we've got price camping. So we had a ramp, we have a camp, and unless we were going to break this low of 1800 again, I'm just going to watch and sit out the RTH session. Be careful out there because, again, rollover is usually a little bit wonky because you've got the calendar spread futures traders in there doing rollover.